horses. And I ain't talking about Nike. Oh, man, you gotta slice the like button on that. Before we get started. Oh. You gotta make minimal noise. I got a bag of Funyuns here. With that being said, just try to open it up. See my grace. Shh. Buddy, shut up. Shut up. I'ma just one and then we can get started. This is really cool. We don't play enough point and click. Point and click. Hold on, let me turn my light off. Extra small. Oh, y'all can't even see me. Am I supposed to be seeing something? Oh! Yeah, get that butt. Get that butt. Yep, get that butt. Yeah, get that butt. Get up out of here, bud.
In the owner's manual, it says to pull on the starter rope briskly. So I'm going to briskly pull on the starter rope.
Bro, throw something. What the freak? What is this former hiding? Tripwire machine gun? Or are you hiding in there? Hold up. Let me get up there.
Don't let this happen to your family. Popcorn is always a tasty treat, but unpopped kernels are a disaster for your teeth.
I need to play some other games, and then I play another game that I can't beat. So...
I've been investigating Freddy's for over 5 years now, and I know I'm close to finding out what happened.
Please do.
Mysterious disappearances, murders, no bodies, no nothing.
Where they at?
I need to know what happened. I could be my breakthrough.
Something was going on, Cory Kitchen here. The frick was that? That's locked, and this is locked. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, yes, it is!